Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage interest and not interested posts on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Instagram allows users to mark topics they are interested in order to influence the suggested content they'll see as they use the photo and video sharing platform. In this video, I will show you how to do it, how to manage your interests and your not interest posts on Instagram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now, if you want to add some content like reels or a video on Instagram that you're interested in and you want to get more reels or posts about that content, you can tap on the three dots here on the post or reels here, and you can tap on interested. So Instagram will suggest more posts like this content, like this video on your Instagram feed. And if there's content that you don't like and you won't see that kind of content again, you won't let's see that kind of content, you can tap on the three dots here also, and you can tap on not interested. And you can choose why you want to why you not interested to this post, maybe because you don't want to suggest post more like this from this account, or you don't suggest post with certain words, or this post made you comfortable. You can just choose one of this, or you cannot choose that. And all the interested and not interested content will be saved on the list on your Instagram here. You can tap on your profile. You can tap on the three lines on the upper right corner here. You can scroll down. You can tap on here, suggested content. You can tap on that. And you'll see there is interested and not interested. On interested, here all the posts. These are posts that you said you were interested in the past 30 days. When a post is removed from this list, you may see viewer suggested posts like it on your Instagram. And also the not interested post list. These are posts that you said you were interested in. When you remove a post from this list, you may see more suggested posts like it on your Instagram. So that is how to manage your interested and not interested posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.